Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikoletta and today I have my June favorites for you guys. Please remember to like and subscribe down below. Thank you. I have made a little collection of all of the recent clothes that I've purchased or the everyday makeup and skincare products that I use. I will have all of these linked below if I can. If not, I will try to find a good dupe for it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start off with is the Sephora package that I literally ordered over 3 weeks ago and it just arrived today. Here we go. It is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. There it is. And it comes with this cute little applicator brush right here. It smells really good. So the next kit that I ordered was the Ole Henriksen Let's Get Luminous Brightening Essentials Kit. And it comes with 3 things. It comes with the Truth Serum, which is a facial serum. It comes with the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and which is like a moisturizing skin cream thing. And then it also comes with a Banana Bright eye cream for like underneath for like bags and stuff. I personally know absolutely nothing about skincare, so I will let you guys know how this works out, but I've heard really good reviews about it, so that's why I went out of my way to find it, and then it just took 3 weeks to arrive. No big deal or anything. They like gave me the option of some things to pick from, so I chose the Kerastase Paris, the Genesis Fondant Renfort Couture. I don't even know. One's a shampoo and one's a conditioner. It's a shampoo that they look like this, and they are for colored hair. They're supposed to help treat it and make it smoother and less damaged. So we're gonna give this one a shot. And then I also got 2 free gifts from Sephora. That I got the Prada Candy perfume sample, and I got a Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb Midnight spray perfume as well. Honestly, I don't wear perfumes, so this is kind of useless for me, but you know, we'll give it a smell, sniff sniff. Oh, I think I broke it. Literally the spring is in my hands. Not a huge fan, but like I also don't like anything, so don't take my word for it. This one is the Viktor and Rolf one, and it actually smells a little bit better than the Prada Candy, but I don't really wear perfumes, so I am not the best one to give advice on perfumes. So the next few things are about removing your makeup and that type of skincare. Okay, like I was saying, the next thing I use every single day, all the time, if I remember, because I do tend to sleep with my makeup on a lot, but I'm really trying not to do that, is the Neutrogena makeup wipe removers, and this is the teal color package that is the hydrating. I typically get the like light-ish blue one that is the generic typical Neutrogena makeup wipes, like the traditional ones, but they made my face feel really dry, so I've tried to stop using those because they're not good for you. So I'm trying to use the hydrating ones, and I'm trying also not to rub my face too much. But yeah, so these are the ones that I get. I get them from like CVS, Walgreens, wherever you want to get them. I also have this Clinique Dramatic Different Hydrating Jelly that I have been using, and it works like a moisturizer almost, where it just kind of adds some like hydration to your skin, and it makes it feel like more vibrant and all that type of jazz. So this has been really helpful. I don't know the exact benefits it's been giving me, but it feels good on my face, and it has like a texture almost like aloe vera, like you know when you go from like the sun to like afterwards, and if you're sunburned, this is similar texture. Yeah. So then I also have this Bobbi Brown Instant Longwear Makeup Remover. All I need is like 1 droplet of it, and I swear to God, it takes off like all of my makeup. I don't know if it's specifically for like eye makeup or what. I think it's just for all makeup, but I swear to God, I like one drop of it and my whole face is clean, except I get this like weird like smooth feeling on my skin, which is like not bad or anything. Obviously, like if your skin feels smooth, it's like a really good thing, but it's like fake smooth almost. It like leaves this like fake smooth feel on my skin, and I'm not sure how I feel about that, but really love this stuff. And then the next thing I have over here is something that is very old and I haven't used it a ton, but I really like the like feeling of it when I do wear it, and it's the Mario Badescu. Is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, so all really great stuff for your skin. And it's really nice to just like put on a little bit and just like spray it across your face. It's great. It smells nice. My go-to foundation right now for June is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation with 40 SPF. So, looks like that. This is great. It also, so it comes with like a little eyedropper to use the makeup, and then I typically will put it on this kabuki brush, which I've had forever. It's from Bare Minerals, and honestly it barely says Bare Minerals anymore, so I couldn't really tell you which exact brush this is, but it's a kabuki brush. Works great, works wonders. I do not use a makeup sponge, like those like little sponges that everybody like puts their makeup on. Do not use those. I think they are soaking up all of your makeup, so it's just not for me. But this foundation, honestly, great coverage, not too heavy. You can layer it. It's good for the summer. It has SPF. I go through so many foundations. I've tried the Dior. I really liked the Dior. I've tried the NARS. Wasn't a huge fan of NARS. It was the Bare Minerals foundation, actually. That was like wicked cakey. I would never use that one again. So I've definitely had a good experience with this one. I have been using this Burt's Bees Vanilla. Swear to God, it's a lifesaver. Honestly, I have no idea why my lips are so chapped in the summer, but I keep picking at them, and this thing literally saves my life. And then we have my teeth whitener from Hi Smile. Seeing great results, but I have not done it in a really long time, so I need to start doing that again, but we haven't really been able to go anywhere, so I haven't really done it yet. And then the last item I have to show you guys is the Saint Tropez Gradual Tinted Tan Lotion. It's an everyday tinted lotion, and it says Instant Healthy Glow on it. And I think this was like the only one that you could pick from. I don't know if there's like a darker one or not, but I definitely wouldn't have chosen the dark one for my skin tone because I'm pretty pale and gradually tan easily. But like put it on, and like in a couple hours you'll be able to see the glow. There's really no smell to it, which is great. The only thing is it like does build up on your hands sometimes, so you should definitely remember to wash them afterwards. But honestly, if you just need like a quick little glow, like it's perfect, and it comes right off too in the shower, I think. So if you want to like, this isn't like a long-term use, it's like a one and done type use. There's a huge bottle. I've had it for so long. It's great. Okay, so moving on to the clothing aspects of my favorites for June, and I would like to start off with this sweater that I am wearing. It is from the Mayfair group, and they did this collection where they dropped it in extra large only, and it says, "I left my designer sweatshirt at home." I just thought that was like the coolest thing I had ever seen, and it's so simple, yet I just thought it was great. And since we're all living in our loungewear right now, I thought it would be the perfect thing to invest in. They have a matching pair of sweatpants that like obviously they interchange sweatshirt with sweatpants, and then I think the collection does come in like a cobalt blue color, but I chose the gray color. So that is the first item that I got. The next item that I got, and also you guys will see all of these in the like try on that I'm gonna put on in the side over here, or I might have it like popped over the screen, but you guys will see. So the next piece of clothing that I invested in was a pair of Aritzia biker shorts, and this is from the TNA brand. These in a medium. Basically they're the 7-inch biker shorts, and they're like a cloth legging material, and they have a high waistband. These look great with an oversized sweater. The next thing that I purchased was this tank top. It is the square neck tank top from Zara. It's honestly one of my favorite shirts. It's this ribbed material. It's sort of cropped. I'll give you guys like a close-up of the material. It's like, it's really nice, honestly. Like, it's like very flattering on anybody. I have worn it recently so many times since like the weather has been getting nicer, and it's got this like little under cami inside. It's really great. The only thing I do have to say about it that is negative is the straps are really long. So what I actually did here is I took the hanger straps that it comes with, and I had to tie them when I was wearing the shirt. I had somebody tie it for me, and that way the straps like held up and weren't like constantly falling on my shoulders, which is like the most annoying thing ever in the world, but it's honestly great. So the next item that I bought was actually in the beginning of quarantine, before all of this kind of started. It was when we were allowed to still go into the stores, and it is also another big favorite of mine lately. It is this cropped, but like goes down all the way sweater, like a white cream color, and it's got the coolest hood ever. It has these like metal like holes in it, and it's honestly just like the coolest thing ever. And then it has these like straps right here that are thick, and it's such a good material. It's cozy. It's definitely perfect if like you're going to the beach at night and need something to like huddle up under. It's honestly like my favorite piece that I own right now. So the next thing I got was, this has like become a Zara haul. Like, I swear to God, this is like a Zara haul. It's pretty much everything Zara except for the sweater that I'm currently wearing. So this is a t-shirt dress from Zara. It is like a horizontal ribbed material, and it's just your classic t-shirt dress. It's honestly like, it's really flattering. You can just slip it over anything if you're going to the market, if you're going to the store, anything right now. It's like super convenient. You put it on with flip-flops, and it's just like an out the door type of dress. It's also, it doubles as a good beach cover up, or if you're just walking around in the sun and you don't want something to like hug you, it's perfect, and it's cute and flattering. And then here I have a skirt that I have not worn yet because I have nowhere to go, but it is this classic denim skirt from Zara, and it is this light wash blue, and it's got these like cuts on the side, and it kind of goes up, and then the bottom is like worn and threaded. It's so cute to me. Very classic, like back in the day type skirt that is definitely just, I also have the tags on it still because I have nowhere to go and nowhere to wear it to. I think that is going to be all for my June favorites. I will have all of these linked below if I can. If not, I will try to find a good dupe for it. But thank you guys all for watching. If you guys could like and subscribe, that would mean the world to me. I am having so much fun making these videos, and would love to hear some feedback. And if you guys have any suggestions on a video you would like to see from me, that would be so cool. So thank you so much, and see you next time.